What is going on, guys? Unlimited Cop here, back with another video. And in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Cactus Plant Flea Market Vapor Maxes. And these Vapor Maxes are set to release tomorrow, May 14th, at select retailers, coming in at a retail price of $250. Honestly, guys, resale is going to be pretty insane. And since these are women's sizes, you will be able to make more profit with the higher sizes. You could easily quadruple your money pretty much if you get the right size. Here's a screenshot of StockX and the sizes right now. As you can see, it's pretty crazy. You're definitely going to make profit on every single pair. But since they are women's sizes, obviously the larger sizes are going to do better. There's not too much to say, guys, in the intro of this video. If you guys do enjoy or help you out in any way, please be sure to hit that like button down below and hit that subscribe button for more content. This is going to be a pretty short video, guys, and I do apologize. So without any further ado, let's just hop right into the stores. Starting us out at 6 a.m, we have Dover Street Market, London. This is going to be a pretty hard release. I don't really have much to say. If you're going manual, definitely make sure you have autofill set up and just be as fast as you can. If you're running a bot, I know PD has been doing pretty well the past couple of releases, so you might try to get your hands on a copy of that if you can. Moving on to 10 a.m. EST, we have Nike sneakers. As of right now, it is a Leo, which is a first come first serve, which, as we saw with the Travis Scott's, guys, can be laggy at times. It might give you an error saying something went wrong, but just keep trying and eventually you'll get through to the line. In terms of bots for sneakers, the past couple releases, bots have not done very well. Nike sneakers has been pretty successful in stopping bots, but if you do want to try a sneakers bot, I would definitely suggest Ghost or BNB. At 11 a.m. EST, we have Dover Street, New York. This is just like DSML, just be as fast as you can if you don't have a bot. And like I said with DSML, I would suggest trying to pick up PD if you can. Now there could be a couple more stores, guys. As of right now, these are only confirmed stores. If you're in a cook group, I would definitely recommend having notifications on from the monitor and just being ready to quick task. Now this is a pretty short video, guys, and I do apologize. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment sections below and I'll definitely be sure to answer them. Also be sure to follow me on Twitter at @unlimited_cop and check out my sneaker group link down in the description below. If I helped you out in any way in this video, please be sure to hit the like button down below and hit that subscribe button for more content, and definitely check out some of my other videos. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy. I'm Unlimited Cop, and I'm out.
Yeah, I run my city without running shoes. You ain't gotta wonder who. All these rappers sound the same. Damn, there is a ton of you. I just smirked the competition, did it right in front of you. Before I even learned to count, I kept it 100 too. I be on my Kendrick shit, really bout to humble you. Never ever drop the ball, no, I never fumbled.